Hi everyone, Matt V's Movies back for another video, and today we're looking at something a little bit different. This is a pickup from I got this week, and this is a Blu-ray of a band that I really like, have done for many years, of Pink Floyd. Yeah, I followed this band for many years and got a lot of their albums, and managed to pick this Blu-ray up of a concert that was recorded in, I believe, 1988 for the tour of the album Delicate Sound of Thunder. And basically on the back here we've got all the tracks that are on this tour. 1988, here we go, at the Nassau Coliseum, Long Island, New York. And we've got some fantastic songs on here. Ones from some of the early albums, The Dark Side of the Moon and Wish You Were Here, another one of their albums, and some of their sort of later work. The three main band members were Dave Gilmour on guitars and vocals, absolutely fantastic guitarist, Nick Mason on the drums, wonderful drummer, and Richard Wright, who sadly passed away in the last year or so, on keyboards. Fantastic. Yeah, so sadly this they don't tour anymore, so there's only two surviving members now. So yeah, they did produce an album a couple of years back, but I think that's pretty much their final album. Yeah, this is a great great concert with a lot of visuals. Pink Floyd certainly known for their visual style, fantastic lasers, and sort of quirky kind of characters like you're seeing here. So let's just get into this. It's just like a slip case, and then on the inside we've just got like a scene from the band on stage. Just focus. And then on the back we've got a nice image of the main screen with all the lights, and obviously the band down here. And then on the inside we've got, now this is a remastered re-edit of this concert that took place over 5 nights. So I checked out the quality of the disc, and it's a fantastic picture. And just behind you've got a little bit more of a scene of the band, and then contained sort of in here is just like a little booklet, and again sort of those sort of images from Momentary Lapse of Reason. I think this was the album. And then on the back, here we go, restored and re-edited from the original 35mm footage. And then there's just a wonderful little booklet that we get inside. Say, love this band, you know, they've done some fantastic music over the years. Little rock, progressive rock. Started off in the sort of late 60s, and their sort of, so their big album was the Dark Side of the Moon. Fantastic. And yeah, I'll quickly show you I've still got the original cassette of that album. There we go. So yeah, it's a really nice sort of collector's edition, this. And just bear with me a sec. And then here we go. This is the original cassette of the Dark Side of the Moon album that came out, and I believe this was 1973. So this is 1 year younger than I am. It's really nice to have this sort of bit of memorabilia. This is actually my dad's cassette that he gave me, so it's nice to keep hold of this for sentimental reasons. There we go. So guys, that's just something a little bit different, just a quick show of a Blu-ray that I picked up for this band that I really enjoy. So hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye now.